Tired of payroll headaches? Let's transform that frustration into confident control with Ceridian Dayforce. First, employee setup, click People, then Employees, and at Employee input all required information Euro personal details, contact info, compensation, and banking details for direct deposit. Accurate employee data is the foundation for flawless payroll, so double-check everything. Next, navigate to Time and Attendance to manage timesheets. Here you can review employee hours, approve submitted timesheets, and address any discrepancies. Dayforce allows for easy edits and approvals, ensuring accurate pay based on worked hours. Now for the payroll run. Under Payroll, select New Payroll Cycle, verify the pay period dates. Then Dayforce will automatically calculate gross pay, deductions, and net pay. Review everything carefully before finalizing the payroll run. Dayforce simplifies tax filings. Access tax reports under year-end to generate necessary forms like W-2 and 1099s. Furthermore, customize payroll reports under Reporting to analyze labor costs, track deductions, and gain valuable insights into your payroll operations. Encountering issues? Don't panic. Use the search bar for quick answers or access the comprehensive help section within Dayforce. Most common issues, like incorrect deductions or missing pay, can be resolved with a little bit of troubleshooting. Now you're ready to confidently tackle your company's payroll with Dayforce.